Hello students, today we are going to start our fourth chapter, that is simple equations. So what is equation? Equation has the two sides with equality sign and sides having variables and consonants. So let us take an example. X plus 5 is equal to 7. This is our equation. So this has two sides. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So both these sides have equality sign and are made up of consonants and variables. So what are consonant and variables? The consonants have the constant value. Consonants have constant value. For example, it can be integers 1, 2, 3 or minus words, or they can be in fraction or the other rational numbers that have the fixed values. And what are variables? Variables are basically the alphabets that do not have any constant value, and they are denoted as A, B, C, X, Y, Z or any another English alphabets. So here we have X as a variable, 5 and 7 as the constants. Okay, so here the value of X will be 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. If we take another statement or another equation in the maths, the X value can be 3, 4 or something else. So it does not have its a fixed value. So we are going to start some basic things about the equation. The first one is setting up equation from the statement. So in this we have to just change the language form to the mathematical form. So the first one is the sum of twice of x and 4 is 24. How can you convert this into an equation? We know something is equal to 24. So we got our one side is equal to 24. So what is equal to 24? This is sum of twice of x and 4. So you have to do sum. This means you have to add two things. And what are these two things? Twice of x. What is twice of x? It means 2 times x and 4. You have to add 2 times x and 4, and this will give you the sum 24. Let us practice some another examples. 3 subtracted from 4x is 9. So something is equal to 9, and what is this? 3 subtracted from 4x. You have to subtract 3 from 4x. And sometimes the common mistake which is done is the students see the 3 is first and 4x come later, and they subtract 4x from 3 and write it as 9. So you have to read the statement carefully, which is subtracted from which number. Okay, so here you have to subtract 3 from 4x. Okay, and the result will be 9. So this one is wrong one. Okay, let us see another example. If we take 7 from 4 times y, we get 21. So the result is 21. So we have to take 7 from 4 times y. What is the meaning of 4 times y? In Hindi we can say 4 guna jada. So 4 guna, which means multiply. So 4 times y, we have to take 7. So what is the sense of we take? It means you have to subtract 7 from the 4 times y. So 4 times y, this is 4y, and you have to take away 7 from it. You have to subtract 7, and the result will be 21. And also get few lengthy statements and you have to make equations from these. For example, the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 meter. Its length is 2 meter greater than its breadth. As you know, the formula for perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. So we are given perimeter and length and the breadth. What is the value of length and breadth here? The length is 2 meter greater than its breadth. Suppose we take the breadth as y. We do not know the value of breadth, so we are supposing the breadth is y meter, and it is given that the length is 2 meter greater than its breadth. So we can say that length is 2 meter greater than the breadth, and the perimeter in this case is 20 meter. So perimeter is 20 meter. What is the formula for perimeter? This is 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to 20 meter. So what are length and breadth here? We've calculated it earlier. The breadth is y meter and the length is 2 plus y. So we got an equation here, 2 into, we have 2 times y, so we write it as 2y, which is equal to 20. So this is our equation. This is another statement, which is Lakshmi's father is 40 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. And we don't know the age of Lakshmi. Age of her father is 40 years. So we suppose that the age of Lakshmi is let us suppose it is n years, and her father is 40 years old, and he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. This means that 3 times Lakshmi's age means 3 multiplied by n, and if we add 4 more years, this will be equal to Lakshmi's father age, which is 40 years. Okay, and sometimes you will get a question like making the statements from the equations. Our first equation is 2m minus 10 is equal to 40. So we have to make a statement from this. So we can clearly see that you are subtracting 10 from twice of m and you are getting 40. So you can write that 10 subtracted from twice of m gives 40. Wordings in this cases may be different, but it should have a sense. The little bit wordings can be changed. So our next example is x by 7 is equal to 4. So here you can see that x is divided by 7 and the answer you are getting is 4. So you can write simply x divided by 7 gives 4. This is our last part, checking the solutions of equations. So this is our equation, 2x plus 4 is equal to 15, and we have to check whether the value of x is equal to 2 fits in this equation or not. We have to put just the value 2 in place of x. So it is 2 times x, that means 2 multiplied by x, and x value is 2. Then we have to add 4. We have to check whether this left hand side equals to the right hand side or not. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4, and the result is 8. So you are getting, in left hand side you are getting the result 8, but the right hand side shows the result 15. So the answer is not. This is not the solution for this equation. The second example may be, let us check whether the value of x is equal to 5 suits this equation or not. We have to just put 5 in place of x. So this is 4 times x, means 4 multiplied by x, which is 5, divide by 5 plus 2, and here it is equal to 6. Let us check this left hand side. What is the result? 4 into 5, or you can cancel 5 by 5. 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. In the left hand side you are getting 6 and the right hand side is also 6. So the answer for this is yes. This is the solution for this equation. I hope you understood today's topic. Thank you.